Hello, good morning everyone. Let's start our today's English grammar class. In our English grammar class for standard 6. For chapter number 5, kinds of adjectives. Kinds of adjective. In this chapter, yesterday we have learned that there are how many kinds of adjectives. So we have seen the kinds of adjectives. First one is adjective of quality, famous, lovable, brave. These are kinds of quality. Second one, we have seen that adjective of quantity. So any, most, enough, little, much. These are the adjective of quantity. We can मात्रा में होता है ना, कुछ भी चीज़ों की हम क्वांटिटी देख पाते कि कितनी क्वांटिटी में है. इट्स कॉल्ड द एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी. Then third one we have seen that numeral adjective like first, second, third, most, last. These are the numeral adjective. Then fourth one we have seen distributive adjective. Distributive adjectives are every, each, either, neither. Okay, each, every. Each of the students each of the students has submitted their homework. ओके तो ईच हम यूज़ करते हैं. तो ईच जो है ना वो डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव से सारे सब टीचर्स सारे स्टूडेंट्स के लिए यूज़ हुआ है ना. नाइदर यू नॉर ही विल कम, वो भी नहीं आएगा आप भी नहीं आओगे. तो दिस कॉल इज ऑल्सो डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव एडजेक्टिव. नाउ हमने फिफ्थ वन देखा था इंट्रोगेटिव एडजेक्टिव. दैट इज फॉर्म फॉर क्वेश्चनिंग. हम प्रश्न पूछने के लिए इंट्रोगेटिव एडजेक्टिव्स का यूज़ करते हैं लाइक व्हाट, व्हेन, हु, व्हाई, हाउ मेनी, हाउ. दिस आर इंट्रोगेटिव एडजेक्टिव्स. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 we have done. Now sixth is possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives. Okay, so possessive adjectives that means that use with a noun to show who has something. That this is my man, है ना, this is my job. तो my is a possessive adjective. Okay, this is your class, so your is possessive adjectives. So these possessive adjectives also show that who has something. किसी के पास कुछ है. My, your, our, his, है ना. We never use apostrophe with it. Do not use with apostrophe with with possessive adjectives. Some other adjectives are my, our, his, her and its. Its is without apostrophe. Okay, लिखते हैं यहाँ पे. चलो देखो possessive adjectives कौन से होते हैं. His, her, its. This is its, not its. Okay, this one is incorrect. Its. Then my, your, our. So these called possessive adjectives. Okay. Now last one is demonstrative adjectives. Seventh one is demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjectives are used to point out the person or thing referred to. That we can point out that person. This is my sister. Okay, you are my brother. So demonstrative adjectives are used to point out someone. That's these, that, है ना, those. So these are demonstrative adjectives. Like the examples are these, those, these, that. Okay, these are demonstrative adjectives. Now with the help of these kinds of adjectives, we have to do exercise number 1. So let's start it. Exercise number 1. Exercise number 1 is regroup these adjectives into separate categories. तो उनको अपनी अपनी कैटेगरीज में आपको बाइफरकेट करना है. ओके, सबसे पहले हमने सारी कैटेगरीज देख ली. कौन कौन से एडजेक्टिव्स होते हैं. डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव्स, then possessive adjectives, then interrogative adjectives, then quality of adjective, quantity of adjective, numerical adjective, distributive adjectives. So this way, so let's start it. मैंने recorded video send किया है ना, देखिए. हाँ. So this is your exercise number 1. In these columns you have to put proper. In these columns you have to put proper adjectives. बस चलो. So we have this list, that, all, one, any. From this list we have to distribute. We have to categorize this type of adjectives. So first one is adjective of quality. Quality में कौन कौन से adjectives आपको use करने हैं. So that, सबसे पहले one by one देखते जाते हैं. That is which kind of adjective. बोलो. Demonstrative, बताता है ना, point out करता है. That यहाँ पे है. So first one is done. Now second one. हाँ ये चल रहा है. Second one is both. Both is which kind of adjectives. Distributive. Distribute करते हैं ना, आप दोनों को करना है distributive. तो both comes in this one, this box. Both. Now third one. High. High is one type of quality. Then R is possessive adjective. Possessive adjective में आएगा R. Then little. Little is which kind of adjective? Adjective of quantity. It shows the quantity, how much the thing is there. Little. Then first that show numeral adjective. Numeral is remain, no? यहाँ पे लिख देते हैं ना, numeral first. Okay. Now this one is renamed to row, that's why. First, then second part में आते हैं. All is which kind of adjective? All we can count. All students are there. सब students वहाँ पे है. That means we can count it quantity all. Then long. Long is quality of adjective. Long. Then few. Few we cannot count, but it is the quantity of adjective. Quantity. Few. Few students are there. Few means negative sense में जाता है, कोई भी वहाँ पे नहीं है. Okay, तो one type of quantity is there in this meaning, few. It has negative meaning. कुछ नहीं होता है तब हम few का यूज करते हैं. और few का मतलब होता है positive meaning, मतलब कुछ है, थोड़ा बहुत है. Few. Then brave. Brave is quality. क्वालिटी जो होती है इंसान में या चीज़ों में. चीज़ कैसी है, लॉन्ग है, तो ये सारी क्वालिटीज जो होती है वो यहाँ पे आएंगे एडजेक्टिव्स ऑफ क्वालिटी में. देन which. Which is इंट्रोगेटिव क्वेश्चन पूछने के लिए यूज होता है. Which. नेक्स्ट इज these. These is demonstrative, हम पॉइंट आउट करते हैं. These girls. So this is demonstrative. We can point out the person or thing. Now third line is one. One is numeral adjectives that comes in this line. One. One, this column. One. Then his. His is possessive adjective. So it is comes in this column. His. Possessive adjective. Possessive adjective. Okay. Next one is much. Much we can put in quantity of adjective. Much. Then every. Every is which type of adjective? Distributive. Every students are there. Every. तो every is distributive adjectives है ना, distribute करते हैं हम. every girls को fruits देना है. These fruits are given to every child है ना, हर एक बच्चे को देना है. तो every is one type of distributive adjective. Next one is are. वो तो आ गया. are comes in possessive adjective. Next is my. My is possessive adjective. Next is any. Any is quantity. Any students are there. कोई है क्लास में है ना, तो any is quantity of adjectives. Then neither. Neither is one type of distributive. ये भी नहीं वो भी नहीं. So neither. Then her. Her is possessive adjective. Next is some. Some is one type of quantity. Some students are there. Whose. Whose is interrogative adjective. And Indian. Indian is which type of adjective? Quality of people. These group of people are Indian. This group of people are Chinese. So it is the quality of person. So Indian comes in this column. Okay, so this is your exercise number 1. You have to complete in your grammar notebook and textbook also. And your homework is you have to do exercise number 2. Okay, your homework is to do exercise number 2. We will meet on our next lecture. Okay, thank you. You can take screenshot of these answers also, and you can revise this video when the recorded video which I will send in your group. Okay, chalo, bye bye.